Hi, my name is Tama. This video is a brief introduction to our Ucgis application. As you can see from here, at the top of it is the toolbar menu. The left part is the map navigation tool. There's a map switcher here, and there's a user guide. By clicking it will pops up a PDF format user guide. I'll skip the map navigation part. Let's start with the tools. The first is the layer management, which give controls of the layer visibility. The checkbox can be decided to turn on, turn off this layer, uh, and there's more control of these layers. Could change the order in this layer list. We can zoom into certain layer, can change the transparency, change the visibility of it, and expands all layers and collapse all layers. The second tool we'd like to introduce is the list data, which identify what are these assets in this map. Um, we divide it into two uh, parts. One is list my data, the other called list other data. List my data will only returns the result that is associated with your department, and the other all the data that belongs to the other departments will be returned using the other data. For example, we'd like to identify what are these assets. We click on layers, draw rectangle. This one with a pop-up windows here shows that it is a tree. There's a parking meter here. So this is identified data. By clicking it, we'll zoom to it. List other data works as the same way. By pick the shape you want to identify with, and you can also specify your layers that you are interested in. Um, the third tool we'd like to introduce is the query. The query is composed of two parts, both the text search and the graphic search. The text search by entering some value of the attributes and click search, it will return the result. So it finds 18 cherry trees which in good condition. The result will be highlighted and will be listed here. By click it, we'll zoom to the result. This is the text search. There is the graphic search. It can be combined with the attribute search. By click this, but now we'll ignore this. We just want to see some trees in the radius of, let's say, 200 feet of the point here. You see a circle, and all the trees in that 200 feet in this circle will be selected. Their returns 73 records match the constraints we set. The fourth tool is the editing, the online editing part. You can create new assets by click templates and put it into the position you want. You can always move it with the cross shape cursor and entering since you want to change the attribute. Click OK will store it. Says adding feature. Um, you can also change the um, you can change the assets that are already in the system by click on it. You can change the value or simply delete. You want to delete the asset, click delete. Change the geometry. Move the cursor on it when the cross cursor is on. The shape is on. You can change the position. You can always roll back and redo it. That is the editing tool. The next tool is the measurement tool. Measurement tool um, can measure the, for example, you are interested in the position, the longitude and latitude of this position. You click a point to it, it will shows the longitude and latitude. Give a rectangle. It shows the parameter and the area of this shape. So that's the circle eclipse. And you can add some nodes for your uh, own. This created as graphic can be stored to a local hard drive. And you can always bring it back. By pick it, it will bring it back. This is the measurement tool. The other tool we're using is the bookmark. That's a quick navigation from the interested area from one to the other, like we previously created a bookmark for the stadium, and then we'll create a test set. You can always create your own bookmark by focus on the certain area you're interested in and then click the bookmark. Then it will store the current instance as the bookmark. The next one is legend. Shows what the legends of these assets in the um, existing map area. The last function is the print. By entering the title, author name, and pick the formats using some scales. You can use standard scale if you want, or just go with the current extents. Click print. It takes a few seconds to generate a map in the format you just chosen. See from here, the legends that are being enabled that pops up here, and test, scalable, everything. So that's the basic function of our application. Thank you for watching.